The majestic beauty of Iguazu Falls. Welcome to our YouTube video, where we'll embark on an exhilarating journey to witness the awe-inspiring wonder of Iguazu Falls. Nestled on the border between Argentina and Brazil, this natural masterpiece is a testament to the raw power and breathtaking beauty of Mother Nature. Join us as we explore the mesmerizing landscapes and cascading waterfalls of Iguazu. Iguazu Falls is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most magnificent waterfall systems in the world. With over 275 individual falls stretching across nearly 2 miles, it is a spectacle that leaves visitors in sheer awe. The falls are nestled within the lush and biodiverse surroundings of the Iguazu National Park, which adds to the enchanting experience of this natural wonder. The Devil's Throat. Prepare to be mesmerized as we venture to the heart of Iguazu Falls, the breathtaking Devil's Throat. This U-shaped waterfall is the most powerful and iconic feature of the falls. Witness the immense volume of water crashing down with thunderous force, creating misty clouds and rainbows that add to the enchantment of the scene. The Upper Circuit. Join us on a journey along the Upper Circuit, a series of walkways that offer incredible panoramic views of the falls. Experience the sheer power and energy of the rushing water as it plunges down the cliffs, surrounded by lush greenery and a symphony of wildlife sounds. The Lower Circuit. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Lower Circuit, which takes you closer to the Cascades and offers a unique perspective of the falls. Feel the mist on your skin as you walk amidst the vibrant rainforest, witnessing the incredible flora and fauna that thrive in this tropical paradise. The Great Adventure Boat Ride. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping adventure as we embark on the Great Adventure Boat Ride. Feel the exhilaration as the boat takes you up close to the falls, providing an unforgettable experience of the roaring cascades and the sheer power of nature. As our journey through Iguazu Falls comes to an end, we hope you've been captivated by the awe-inspiring beauty of this natural wonder. From the majestic Devil's Throat to the breathtaking panoramas of the upper and lower circuits, Iguazu Falls offers an unparalleled experience of nature's grandeur. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible travel destinations. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.